Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have appliance accessory for your kitchen, the Frigidaire IM117000 Ice Maker Kit. We found this product online, and you can check the description below for the link to the latest price and availability. The Frigidaire IM117000 is a genuine OEM ice maker kit designed specifically for top-mount refrigerators. If you've ever struggled with filling ice trays manually or running out of ice during a party, this product could be a game-changer for you. This kit comes in a sleek white color, making it a perfect fit for most kitchen aesthetics. One of the standout features of the IM117000 is its built-in sensor arm. This smart feature automatically activates when the ice level is low and halts production once the ice storage container is full. This means less hassle for you, no more worrying about constantly checking on your ice supply. The kit is engineered to freeze, release, and store ice efficiently, allowing you to enjoy chilled beverages anytime you want. The Frigidaire IM117000 Ice Maker Kit is suitable for anyone who owns a top-mount refrigerator and desires convenience in their daily routines. Whether you're a busy parent needing ice for after-school snacks or an entertainer looking to keep drinks cold during gatherings, this Ice Maker Kit ensures that you'll always have fresh ice on hand. Imagine hosting a summer barbecue or a cozy winter gathering. Having an automatic ice maker saves you the trouble of constantly running to refill ice trays. It's especially great for those who often forget to prepare ice ahead of time, or for anyone who simply wants to enjoy the ease of having a reliable ice supply at their fingertips. That said, it's essential to ensure compatibility with your refrigerator. Before purchasing, it's recommended to verify the part number with your appliance service manual or by contacting the manufacturer of your appliance. This can help you avoid any installation headaches down the road. In conclusion, the Frigidaire IM117000 Ice Maker Kit is a practical and efficient solution for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen experience with an automatic ice-making solution. Its smart features and convenience make it an excellent addition to any top-mount refrigerator. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.